Career counseling is this great opportunity to forge a new path in life. We have the opportunity as we meet with people to talk about their values, what kinds of work contexts, environments that they're interested in, what their dreams and passions are about, and to find a valuable way to contribute to society and make a living for themselves. Fresno Family Counseling Center is this great place. We offer community-based services. So anybody in the community who wants to come and receive mental health counseling receives it from our students are the primary providers. So it's a training clinic for students in the marriage, family, child counseling program at Fresno State. All of our students are getting their masters in counseling, learning how to become therapists.
I'd say that anybody could benefit from career counseling. You don't have to necessarily be a student or even someone who's considered young, like in the 18 to 24 year range. I'd say any individual could benefit.
What stood out to me the most was just taking into consideration values, wants, needs. I think that's important when choosing a career. I love that, we go over resume building, job interview questions, things like that. I find that very helpful.
The career counseling we have is free. There are no catches or caveats. It is completely free. You won't be charged in any way.
It is absolutely free, 100% free. Chevron has already paid for it. So now we just need people to come in and get the free counseling. They won't be asked for a dime.
If anyone is interested in career counseling, the best way to get started is to call Fresno Family Counseling Center.
So you'll speak to one of us here. We'll do an intake. So just some basic information, and then we'll set you up with a therapist.
And again, a huge thank you to Chevron. More than just providing gas, Chevron is providing help and hope and an opportunity to people. And so this has just been a wonderful experience to be able to use these resources to make a difference in people's lives.